last week we learned all about subtraction. We learned about some place value strategies called regrouping and non-regrouping. Let's review something. Think in your head, if we're subtracting, am I taking away or am I adding more on? Talk with your table about it, and then we'll talk together.
Why do you guys think that?
Ooh, I see a lot of people that know. Evan, what do you think?
Taking away.
Yeah, taking away. Let's look at place value real quick. If I have the number 43, what place is the 3 in?
One place.
Yeah. If I'm looking at the 4, what place is my 4 in?
10.
Yeah. Let's read our poem together. Give me a thumbs up if you remember this poem. Good. Okay, ready?
More on top, no need to stop. More on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. Numbers the same, zeros the game.
Okay, let's repeat our learning goal one more time together.
I can subtract within 100.
Good. So, I'm going to have Mizzy, can you pass out the markers?
Yeah.
We're going to do some examples together on the board. As I'm doing them, I want you to be doing them too on your board, okay?
Okay.
Once you get a marker, you can write this problem on the board. 92 minus 64. Give me a thumbs up when you have that written down. I see it. Okay, we're going to do this first one together. So, more on the top or more on the floor?
More on the floor.
Oops, one more time. More on the top or more on the floor?
More on the floor.
Very good. So now what do I do?
Go to the floor.
So what's my 9 become?
8.
What's my 2 become?
12.
What's 12 minus 4?
8.
Oop, I'm going to pick somebody, Amarian.
8.
8. And what's 8 minus 6 to 1?
2.
What's my answer as a class?
28.
28. Ooh, now here's a good question. Who can tell me why this 2 became a 12 with their hand raised? Corey?
Because you took the 9, because you took the 1 away from the 9, and then you added the 64.
Oop, your thinking was right, but is this 9 in the 1s?
Like you took the 10 from the 9 and then you added to the 2. So that makes
Yeah. So we took from the 10s place. Okay. We're going to do one more together. Actually, 2 more. So erase your board.
Can we keep on that problem? Or figures?
We're going to put 49 minus 32. So, more on top or more on the floor?
More on the
floor.
Okay, so what do I do? What do I subtract first? 1s or 10s?
1.
Ooh, looking for a hand. Another hand. Bella? The 1s place. Who can tell me 9 minus 2? Jacob, do you know? Yep.
7.
Nope, 7. 9 minus 2. Riley? Yep, 8. How about 4 minus 3? Oh, okay, getting confused. 1 second. 9 minus 2.
7. 7.
Oh, you're right, 7. 4 minus 3? You're right, sorry, Jacob. Aries? 1. 17. Look at your partner's boards. If they got one right, give somebody at your table a high five. All right, let's do one last one together. do this one quietly on your own, and I'm going to walk around and see how everyone does. Remember, let's ask ourselves, more on the top or more on the floor? Okay, so now look at your paper and make sure you did that. Riley, you want to come up and do it first? Okay. So what's the first thing that you did?
I checked this side and I saw that the 4 was on the bottom and 4 is bigger than 3, so I counted 7.
Mm-hmm.
I made it 6 and then 8 and 10 and 13. And then I used plus because 4 plus 9 equals 13, so I just put a 9 on the bottom.
Uh-huh.
And then 6 plus 6 is.
Ooh, plus?
6 minus 6 is the same number, so I just erased where I put it and I put the 9 in the middle. So I know that.
Is the 9 still in the ones place though? Because we did 13 minus 4. Yep, you can just leave it right like that. Because what happens when the numbers are the same? Zero's the game. Very nice. Okay, so if you got that right, you can do a little dance in your seat. Okay. Alright. Missy, can you collect the boards? Yeah. Collect your boards and your marker. Have your marker captured for me, please. Waterfall. So all you need out now is a pencil. So everybody get out a pencil. I have the marker.
Oh, I got it.
No. So once you have your pencil, just take a seat quietly. I'm going to do one more practice problem before I pass out this little worksheet real quick. Okay, so 64 minus 37. More on the top or more on the floor?
More on the floor.
So what do I do?
Look at 4 and get 4.
What's my 5 become? Or my 6 become?
5.
What's my 4 become?
14.
What's 14 minus 7?
7.
No.
2.
What's 5 minus 3?
2.
What's my answer?
27.
Okay, does anybody have any questions about that? Okay, so
So
before I pass this out, we're also going to read the subtraction poem one more time. Ready?
More on top, no need to stop. More on the floor, go next door and get 4. Numbers are the same as zeros again.
Okay, so I'm going to pass these out. Why are we talking? Everybody gets one. Okay, waterfall. Okay. So now you've received an exit slip. This is something you will do on your own, so no talking to our friends at our table. Write your name on the very top. Thank you. Write your name on the top. doing this, I want you to think in your head when you're subtracting. More on the top or more on the floor? If there's more on the floor, you need to go next door and get 10 more. You should be thinking that in your head as you go. So do this on your own. There's 8 questions, so I should see 8 answers written down. And show all your work. And I'm also going to have London and Chase. Can you meet Ms. V at the back table with your paper and pencil? Thank you. Raise your hands if you guys have any questions.